Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Roku user looking to supercharge your streaming experience in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the best apps that make your Roku device even more awesome. Whether you're into binge-watching shows, staying productive, or diving into gaming, these apps are game changers. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Netflix Ultra. This isn't your grandma's Netflix. It's packed with AI recommendations that learn from your viewing habits in real time. With 4K HDR and immersive sound, it's perfect for movie nights. Plus, the new interactive features let you choose story paths in select shows. What a blast! Next, Hulu Live has evolved into a must-have for cord cutters. In 2025, it offers seamless integration with Roku's voice controls, so you can say goodbye to endless scrolling. It includes live TV, on-demand content, and exclusive originals that you won't find anywhere else. If you're into sports or news, this app's got you covered with minimal buffering. Don't overlook Disney Plus Max, the upgraded version that's now a hub for all things entertainment. It's loaded with Marvel, Star Wars, and Pixar favorites, plus enhanced family sharing options. What makes it stand out is the virtual reality experiences for select titles. Imagine exploring the galaxy from your couch. For productivity, the Roku App Suite is a hidden gem. It bundles tools like a web browser, note-taking apps, and even a smart home controller, all optimized for big screen use. And if gaming's your thing, Steam Link for Roku lets you stream your PC games effortlessly, with controller support that's smoother than ever. Last but not least, YouTube Premium on Roku has leveled up with ad-free viewing and background play. It's ideal for tutorials, music, or just relaxing with endless content suggestions. There you have it, the top apps for Roku in 2025 that will transform your setup. Remember, always check for updates to get the latest features. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.